Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with my one of my Easter DT projects for Decorate Your Life. And it's called the Scrapbook Paper Cutie Patootie. And you can find this and many other products in Sandy's shop at DECOR8YOURLIFE.com. And I'm going with this project here. I'm making a card, but I'm making it a little bit different than I usually do. Okay. This is one of the pages from the Cutie Patootie collection. I got this from a different collection. And my card base is 8.5 by 6.5. And my inside paper is just a hair shorter. Okay. And what I done was cut it out with some decorative scissors and glue it inside. My first time making a card like this, okay? Now, my first layer here is 4 and 13/16 by 2 and 13/16. And I'm going to take that, I'm going to layer it here. I have inked all my pieces, okay? Inked them all. And I'm not one that usually inks everything. So, for this project, I'm not going to use art glitter glue. I'm going to use my double-sided tape. Okay. I'm going to need my tiny little ruler, which I can't seem to find right now. So we're going to use this. And smooth that out. Burnish as you go. Okay. Here we go. Then I put one more piece in the middle here. Get my pokey tool. And do this. Okay. And then I'm going to center it right on here. Like so. Okay, now we're going to work on this piece here. We're going to do the same thing. Just put our tape on and stick it on there. I could use my knife, but I don't want to right now. Let me get all my pieces with the tape on it. Wait, all I have to do is pull them and stick them. Make it easier. You know? Okay, so I'll get this one. Okay, that is done. Now we're going to put this piece on. Okay, I'm going to move all this out to the side. Now, before I stick this on, I want to place this. So, let me see. Right about here, and I want that right there. Okay. This I'm going to stick on with some glue. Okay. Got that on. Now let's stick our little girl on. She goes right on top. There. Like so. Then we're going to put Happy Easter. Oh, wait. Well, don't worry about it. I'm going to put Happy Easter going across. I wanted the lump, so this will be kind of raised. Okay. So, and take our pokey tool. And peel that. I'm going to put this at an angle, like so. And we're going to trim that piece off. Like that. And let's see. This little piece up here. Got that in there. Okay. Now we're going to take this piece. We're going to put it inside. Like this. Just like that. Okay, I am back. Now, one thing I forgot to do was ink my page I put inside. So let's do that right now. And then on this side, I'm going to put a belly band. So if they want to do like a little gift card or something, they can do that. I'm going to do the belly band also. But I want to put something on the belly band. Okay. Oop, I forgot to do the belly band. Let's do that now. Okay, now I'm going to glue the belly band on. Let's see. the short way on top. So let's do that one. Let me put it on first so I know exactly where to put the tape. I'm going to trim this one down because this one's a bit too long. Like so. I'm going to unfold this one and do it this way. I'm only going to put 2 pieces of tape on each one. I'm going to pull this down, fold this over, pull it down. Ow! I just pokey tooled my finger, y'all. Yep, I pokey tooled my finger. Fold this one over, like so. And this one's going to come over right about here. So we're going to put some tape there. Actually, I'm going to put some glue there. Not chancing it again right now. Okay, and just fold that over. Uh-oh, that's not even. There we go. Let's move this out. Put up our pokey tool. Do that. Now, uh-oh, I forgot one part of the belly band here. Let's see, I have this. That's the same length. So, what I'm going to do is take the corner and just go along the side and do that. Okie dokie. Whoops. Okay, now we can remove this. Now I want to put something on here. But what do I want to put? Let's put a little bunny. Yep, right there. Now this can be given to a man or a woman because I'm not making it either or. I mean, they got all the colors. They got pink, they got green, they got brown in it. It can be to either or. I'm going to put this in here like so. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So please be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be safe, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.